In this video, I'm going to go through the basics of algebraic proof, starting with even numbers. Any even number could be written like this: 2 times n, 2n, where n is any whole number. So for example, if n is 3, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is an even number. Let's say n happens to be 10. 2 times 10 is 20. That's an even number. If n is 100, 2 times 100, 200. It's an even number. So anything that is a multiple of 2 is an even number. So all even numbers can be represented as 2n, where n takes any whole numbers. Right. Following on from that, well, odd numbers will be whatever an even number is plus 1. An odd number is even number. An even number add 1 gives you an odd number. Since 2n is representing an even number, plus 1, that's an odd number. Right. 3 consecutive numbers. Consecutives mean one after another, like 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 50, 51, 52. Right. These are consecutive, one after another. But only after the first 3 consecutive numbers. So if that n is the first one, the next one will be n plus 1, n plus 2. So for example, if we had 50 to begin with, the next one would be 50 plus 1, 51, 50 plus 2, 52, 50, 51, 52. So these 3 expressions represent 3 consecutive numbers. Right, the next one, 3 consecutive even numbers. Well, look at the even number. Let's say that's your first even number, which we have here. Therefore, the next one will be 2n plus 2, and the one after that, 2n plus 4. So for example, if you replace the n with 10, 2 times 10 is 20. Replace the n with 10, 2 times 10 is 20, add 2 is 22. Replace the n with 10, 2 times 10 is 20, add 4, 24. Look, 20, 22, 24. 3 consecutive even numbers, one after another. Right. Next one, you've got 3 consecutive odd numbers. So let's say the first odd number, which we have over here, we got 2n plus 1. That's your first odd number. So the next one won't be that, it will be that, and then one after that will be this. 3 consecutive odd numbers. Right. 2 even numbers. It doesn't say 2 consecutive even numbers, it just says 2 even numbers. So one can be like this and the other one could be like this. They're not consecutive, so they don't have the same value of n, so that's why I've chosen 2 different letters. And then 2 odd numbers, any 2 odd numbers, not consecutive, doesn't have to be consecutive, is 2n plus 1, which is what I've got over here. And the other one, you can say 2m plus 1.